I am here to discuss the so-called flying saucers. We can say that the recent sightings are in no way connected with any secret development by any department of the United States.
The Air Force has been accused from time to time of hiding information about UFOs. What do you have to say to that, Colonel Hatton?
Well, these charges are absolutely untrue.
There's nothing to hide.
There's nothing to hide at all.
The Tic Tac object we engaged in 2004 was far superior to anything that we had on time, have today, or are looking to develop in the next 10 years.
It seems to move in directions that are inconsistent with what we know of physics or science.
My gosh, they're all going against the wind. The wind's 120 knots in the west.
This is a typical example of the thing that we see most of. We see these all over the world.
It's clear that many of the observations we have are physical objects from the sensor data that we have.
These encounters became so frequent that aircrew would discuss the risk of UAP as part of their regular pre-flight briefs.
The number of incursions was something that was alarming to me. I don't know the actual number. I don't think anybody does, but it's in the thousands.
UAPs are unexplained, it's true, but they are real. They need to be investigated, and many threats they pose need to be mitigated.
It's an extraordinary capability that somebody has developed, and they're using very aggressively right now against the United States.
Do you have any personal knowledge of people who have been harmed or injured in efforts to cover up or conceal these extraterrestrial technology?
Yes, personally.
Non-human intelligence exists. Non-human intelligence has been interacting with humanity. This interaction is not new, and it's been ongoing. It's one thing to believe, and it's another to know.
The United States government has gathered a great deal of information about UAPs over many decades, but has refused to share it with the American people. That is wrong, and additionally, it breeds mistrust.
There are many things that are out there in the ether that aren't officially brought to our attention.
So how would it have to be officially brought to your attention? I'm bringing it to your attention.
Sure,
This is pretty official.
We have a government that is actively blocking information from us.
We should have disclosure today. We should have disclosure tomorrow. The time has come. I don't really know what is true, but I do know when we're being lied to. And we are definitely being lied to.